Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix this account can no longer use one WhatsApp problem new update 2026. See, this is the problem. Okay, let's fix it. Okay, let's start the video. After that, now go make your home screen and go to your any browser. Search icon, now search WhatsApp help support. Now tap on WhatsApp help support. Now tap on WhatsApp help center. Scroll down, now tap on about temporarily banned account. Scroll down, now tap on no. Now tap on the solution doesn't work and select. Now type your problem here. Now tap on your phone number and email and device your Android. Now tap on submit. Thanks, your feedback help improve this answer for everyone. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Search icon, now search for WhatsApp apps. Now tap on WhatsApp apps and tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your WhatsApp apps. Search icon, now search for WhatsApp apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen. Now open your WhatsApp and try logging in again. I hope your problem solved. Thank you.